With Protect America's top-of-the-line HD security cameras, you can keep an eye on the most important things, from anywhere and at any time. Our HD cameras feature 24/7 live monitoring, infrared night vision, and two-way audio.
Hey guys! Hey!
All easily accessible from your mobile device. Receive push notifications for triggered events and set personalized recording schedules. You can even go back and view your recorded clips to share with others. Another way to view your video feed is from our IQ2 security panel, which has a built-in camera itself. It captures and sends an image when your system is being disarmed and records a video when an alarm is triggered. Our video security devices are backed with 24/7 professional monitoring, giving you peace of mind knowing your home is safe and secure at all times. Take control of your home today with Protect America. Give us a call or go online to protectamerica.com/securityyourway.